Hey, what's up everyone? Thanks so much for tuning back in. So a lot of people are getting into cryptocurrency more and more every day, whether it's Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Stellar, Ripple, all these ones, right? So many are always coming out and even just growing on a day-to-day basis. But what a lot of people don't know, especially new to the game, is that your coins and money could still be pretty vulnerable to like hacks and attacks, even though a lot of these really legit systems are pretty well secure. But the best thing to really do is keep your coins and all of your cryptocurrency in a hardware wallet, and this is the ultimate way to protect it. Now there's a few different types of hardware wallets out there, but this one we are going to check out. This one is by SecuX, SecuX, and now this is the Stone W20. It's pretty cool because it has an actual LCD screen on it, so you can really see everything. You can manage all your coins. This one is one of their newer ones that actually has Bluetooth and sells for about around $100 or so, depending on if there's a sale or not, but you can pick it up right from their site. I'll put a link below, as well as on Amazon. Also, we'll provide that link for you. So in this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna unbox it, but I want you to like and subscribe and look for my review video, and I'll show you everything all about this hard wallet, and that will be coming really soon. So just another few things about this. It says impregnable cryptocurrency hard wallet with Bluetooth, so you can connect to it easily. Vault grade protection, cross-platform, so it'll work with Mac OS, Chrome OS, and Windows. Dual connectivity, uses USB as well as Bluetooth. You can do that. 2.8-inch color screen, that's a pretty decent size, and it supports tons of different types of cryptocurrency. My guess is that they can probably keep updating it where it can even support more as more and more drops. I can tell you right now, it shows that it supports Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Dash, Binance, Stellar, Bitcoin Cash, Doge, ERC20. That's a lot, but it's going to support so many more than that. So let's get started and actually see what's in the box of the SecuX Stone W20 hardware wallet. So just take that out right there. This is how it comes. Now, obviously, Ion did those seals to make it easier, but check that out right there. You can kind of see what that looks like. That's the size of it. Not too bad, right? You can see how big it is. What else? What do we see here? So I see a little power button. Anything else that I see? There's got to be that little USB. My guess is the USB is probably right under there. That'd be my guess on that. And then also in the box here, got some foam. That's always good. Oh, nice. Sweet. Look, we got a little carry case. I love getting carry cases, right? Also a little USB connector here. That's a standard USB mini connector. Comes with everything you need, in addition to your recovery sheet, how to recover. So I guess you can put your passwords. The 24 recovery words generated from the wallet are used to back up your crypto accounts. Pretty cool, so you can keep track of those there. And then here is the quick start guide. Awesome, so you got everything right there. Let's see if this thing actually starts up or not. It is started up. See what it says right there. So what does it say? It says thanks, get started, and then ask you to create your PIN. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show this in the review of how to get it all set up and going and provide that. But that's what's in the box of the SecuX W20 hardware wallet. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything I do, and I'll see you guys real soon.